For 12, it says, after picking up a friend who lives 10 miles away, Maggie records her distance from home over time. Find the average rate of change of the function on the interval 1 to 6. So we found average rate of change with graphs. We found average rate of change with equations. Here we're using tables. So my A is going to be 1, and my B is going to be 6. So with tables, your f of a is just the corresponding y value, or f of x value. So this is f of a, and this is f of b. And again, I want to use the average rate of change formula, which is f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. So my average rate of change is going to be 292 minus 55 all over 6 minus 1, which is 237 over 5, which is 47.4, and this is miles per hour. So we actually are calculating a speed here, an average speed.